Well, I am the perfect mix of my father and my mother, but more than my mother's, of course. She's the 60% of me, more or less, and the rest is my father. But what? The physics. He got my physique at my age, but then got fat. My mom, instead, was taller and skinnier, and that's me. I had her face, her expressions, her eyebrows, her smile. But for my dad, the movement, I can move some parts of my body as him, like my eyebrows or my ears. But that's almost nothing from him. My sister in change took a lot of parts of my dad, and I am the copycat of my mom. But personality, this stuff is for my mom. Almost 0% of my father, because I grew up with my mom, also my sister. But my sister is a little bit cold than me. She's rude, brave. I am emotional. I am sensitive. I say the things that makes me upset. She's not. She keeps it under. But that's our biologically charged. That's why I am equal to my mom. And my sister is equally to my mom physically, but mentally as my father. Because the genes. And in the environment we grew up and we learned some stuff at school made us what we are today. It's not enough with nature. It's what the environment teaches us to be, how we want to be, how we have to be. That's the point. That's why nurture can't stand without nature, or vice versa.